A minute, I'm reminded of songs, like that Bob Seger song where he says, I woke last night to the sound of thunder, how far off I sat and wondered, and started humming a song from 1962. Ain't it funny how the night moves, there ain't just no as much to lose, something, something, how the night moves, with autumn closing in. And I thought, man, that's like Shakespeare, and I'm listening to it here in my room, you know, as a kid. And then there's that other one, oh yeah, life goes on, even after the thrill of living is gone. There's the Shakespeare of the Midwest, John Cougar, huh? He started out, he went from Seymour, Indiana, he went to New York when he was a kid, and he wanted to make it, and he hooked up with David Bowie's management, and they wanted him to have the name Johnny Cougar. His name was John Mellencamp, but they wanted him to be named Johnny Cougar. So he did that, but he didn't like it, and so he came up with a plan of how to get his name back. And so first, you remember he was Johnny Cougar, and then he became John Cougar. And then he moved over a little more, and he became John Cougar Mellencamp. That was part of his plan. And then, just recently, he became John Mellencamp, and now he's gotten back to where his name's almost back, and the next phase and final one will be this year when he becomes Mr. Meg Ryan.